In factories, there are many damaging effects from mist. Mistressa is a product that improves the environment by collecting the mist. Let's look at the effect of mistressa. You can see at a glance the difference when mistressa is used and when it is not. Mistressa prevents mist from floating in the workplace, reducing the damaging effects caused by mist. Depending on the type of mist, it may cause headaches or skin irritation or stick to the skin. If mist is exhausted to the outside, it can lead to environmental damage. It reduces the heating and cooling effect, greatly increasing air conditioning costs. If mist sticks to the floor, it becomes slippery. Mist can be a cause of electrical malfunctions on the control board of machine tools. While processing a workpiece, processing accuracy may be lower due to heat generation. If mist sticks to the fire warning equipment sensors, the sensors may not respond. In this way, mistressa solves problems that may occur in the workplace.